Today, we're diving into a common issue faced by gamers: how to fix the connection failed in the finals error with the code TFLA0002. Stick around, and I'll guide you through the solution step by step. First things first, if you encounter the TFLA0002 error in the finals, exit the game. We'll start by disconnecting and troubleshooting. Next, download a free VPN provider. We'll use ProtonVPN. Head over to their website and select Get Proton Free and then continue with Free. Now, it's time to create your ProtonVPN account. This step is essential to establish a secure connection and bypass the TFLA0002 error. Download the ProtonVPN app, open it, and log in with the credentials you just created. This ensures a seamless connection for your gaming experience. Choose a free VPN server to connect to, for example, the US, UK, or Japan. This helps resolve the TFLA0002 error by providing a stable connection during gameplay. With the VPN connected, launch the finals and try playing a game. This step confirms whether the VPN resolves the connection issue. If you're still encountering the TFLA0002 error message despite being connected to a VPN, try switching to another country's VPN or, as a last resort, disabling your VPN. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on fixing the connection failed in the finals error with the code TFLA0002. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gaming tips, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, happy gaming!